Alright guys, so as you can tell, I customized mine. I dropped it much lower. It's perfect for smooth roads, but for, bumpy and other stuff, it hits, but it's a fun toy. Well, my friends, the day has come when I finally bought my dream car. Yes, that's right, the SRT HellCat by Dodge. Well, the only sad thing is this isn't actually my dream car. It's a model of my dream car, but it's not actually the dream car. So the dream car is a HellCat, just a full-size HellCat, but you know what? In the meantime, it doesn't hurt to own a replica, and oh my goodness, my friends, this bad boy is big and it is awesome. So let's go ahead and see. All right guys, check this out. This is it. I mean, this is sharp, guys. This is really sharp. So the body's plastic, obviously for weight reasons. This is really cool. So the listing has it as designed to be very, a replica of the real thing. It's really cool, guys. And it's light, as you guys can see, I'm moving around very freely, so it's lightweight. Nice rubber tires. So this is how it looks as you lift the body up. You got the motor there, on off. You got your battery connector right in here, strap for the battery to go in here, and that's very basic. That's it. So there's the connector, the end. So yeah, very nice. All right, let's go ahead and actually test this out, my friends. Oh no, actually, let's show you guys what else you get. I'm too excited, guys. It does come ready to run, except you have to buy a battery for it, which is no big deal because that just gives you the option of getting a really good battery. So you have to buy the battery for the car, and you have to have the, I think it's, yes, AA batteries, 4 AA batteries for this as well. So that's it. You just got to provide the batteries, and that's not a big issue. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I customized mine. I dropped it much lower. It's perfect for smooth roads, but for, bumpy and other stuff, it hits, but, it's a fun toy. I do want to point out that I had problems with the seller. When I first got this, the ESC was bad, and the seller said they'd refund me my money or send me directly the part that I need to fix it. I said, okay, great, send me the part. Then they gave me a runaround, telling me that, oh, now that they can't directly send the part, it's not in stock, this and that. So you know what I did? Well, my friends, I went to a local RC shop, 15 bucks. 20 minutes later, I was out and had my part fixed. So, you know, we got it working. We bought other wheels for it. We swapped stuff out. We're gonna continue modding the body and the frame. I've been having fun with it. I love the car, loved it, but it did come with a bad ESC. And basically that is when you connect the battery, it just wants to run right away instantly. So the car wants to run, it wants to drive, even with it turned off. So you can have the remote off, you can have this turned off. A bad ECU, once you connect the battery, it will just want to run right away, full force, like you would have it turned on with full throttle, even though it's turned off. Quick, easy fix. They could have sent me the part. They didn't want to. They wanted me to fill out a form and go through that route, which would have been a waste of my time. So we just went to a local shop the same day, fixed it, no issues. It was at 15 extra bucks out of my pocket, and time wasted that should have been dealt with from new. It shouldn't have been shipped this way, but wasn't a big deal. It was more of a big deal that they told me they would either refund me or send me the part directly, and then when I said okay, then they went back on their word. That's kind of what I have a big issue with, but it is what it is, guys. So at least now you know, if you have that issue, contact them right away, or you know, go another route, go to an RC shop nearby, whatever. But I love it, it's fun. As you guys can see, it was scraping because we dropped this, we lowered this down, added different tires, customize it. It's perfect on straight roads and, you know, on even roads, and that's kind of what we're building it. We're building it for even roads. I just wanted to test it out.